Recording. Okay, oh, guys, I've started recording. Oh. What's up, everyone? It's Die Hard Crypto here. First of all, I have to say Happy New Year, everyone. I'm very sorry that I haven't been able to upload any video lately throughout last year. Some things came up. I have to like sort some things out, and it is what it is. So, about the hype last year about Bitcoin getting to $100,000 for a Bitcoin. Well, guys, this is where we are. Right now, we are standing at 41,900 and 41,900. So as you guys can see, everyone is panicking. Some are selling. The weak hands are selling. Well, as we all can see, Bitcoin is actually doing all right. Bitcoin is actually doing all right. This isn't the time for everyone to panic because Bitcoin is still within the trend line, guys. It hasn't broken down. You can see from the weekly chart there is no breakdown yet. It hasn't broken down from the trend line on the weekly chart. So as we all can see, we are all good, guys. We are all good. This is just the right time for us to buy the dip, guys. This is the right time for us to buy the dip. There's nothing wrong with Bitcoin. If you are thinking of selling, I'm very sorry. If you sell, the whales are gonna buy your Bitcoin and they're not gonna sell to you, guys. So yeah, let's make some technical analysis. So now let's go to the daily chart, guys. And here on the daily chart, as you all can see, it's all the way from, it has tested this range, which is the 40,000 range, price range for a while now. It has been testing this range. You can see where the red line is, this horizontal line. It has been testing it, but actually the trend line is actually this black line right here. So as you guys can see, it has been testing it, and it has also been testing the resistance angle, and this is the resistance right here. So if you are new to this channel, I would love to say welcome to the channel, and I would love us, I'm not actually supposed to be like begging anyone to actually like I'm not supposed to be begging anyone to actually like subscribe to this channel, because if you think that this channel is what is right for you, this is the right channel for you, I would advise you to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and most importantly, if you want this channel to like reach out to a whole lot of people who are interested in the crypto space without them falling in the hands of people that do advertise shit coins and all. If you want people to be like more knowledgeable like you in this space, I will advise you to like hit the like button, because the like button is going to break the YouTube algorithm for it to get to them. So as we all can see, this is the daily chart. The Bitcoin tested at this on the 28th of September 2021. As we all can see, it tested this resistance line, while at, on the 21st of July, as we all can see, was the last time it tested this trend line, guys. On the 21st of July 2021, that was the last time it tested this trend line, and it is coming again to test this trend line. It tested it here once, it tested it here, it's about to test it again. So guys, I would say that this, based on my prediction through this chart, guys, I would say that this is actually the right time for us to buy the dip, guys. This is actually the right time for each and every one of us to buy the dip. This is not a financial advice, guys. I'm not telling you should go and sell your house, sell your car, sell your designers, but if you actually like believe in what I'm doing, because this is also the steps that I'm taking. Whatever I'm saying here, I'm not just saying it for saying sake. It is also what I'm doing, guys. So if you actually like have faith in yourself that this is actually the right time for us to buy, I would advise us all to, buy the dips, guys. So, um, as we all can see, Bitcoin has tested the trend line. It has tested this trend line again. And as we all can see, the last time it tested this trend line here, which was on the 21st of July 2021, it went straight up to it went as high as $68,000, guys. It went to $68,000, which it couldn't break the resistance. Then it had to test the resistance level on the trend line. So, guys, as we all can see, it is testing this trend line again. So I believe that it will either test this level. I'm sorry about that, guys. Oh, I can't get that up the screen. So let me see what I can do. So I believe that it's gonna test this 69,000 to $70,000. When it tests this range within the range of $70,000 to $80,000, guys, it will either break out, guys. At that During that moment, I'll make a YouTube video telling you guys how the market is going to be, and you are a if you're a futures trader, I advise us all to you know we should all relax at this moment and wait for Bitcoin to make its move, whether it's going to break down or it's going to break up again. So we all should just relax. Nobody should be in a haste. Nobody should be in a haste, because this is a critical moment right now for Bitcoin, guys. This is the time for us to decide if people have actually been accumulating, because based on my analysis, I will actually call this a double accumulation zone, guys. This is called double accumulation zone. It's accumulated here. It's accumulated here, guys. Let me get the triangle, guys. There was a whole lot of accumulation within this range, guys. Within this range, there was a whole lot of accumulation, and as we all can see, it tested after it broke out of this accumulation zone. There was another accumulation here. There was a whole lot of accumulation here, guys. There was a whole lot of accumulation here. So as we all can see, this is a zone whereby people are actually going to be accumulating. Bitcoin is gonna go sideways here, guys. It's gonna go a whole lot of sideways here. So probably from this range, if there is actually a breakout above this rectangle, which is the accumulation zone, we're going to see Bitcoin heading towards the 80,000 price range, guys. So yeah, that is it. Let's not waste much time on Bitcoin. That is my ideology on Bitcoin through the technical analysis, guys. And don't forget, guys, if you actually want to learn the technical analysis, how you want to trade, you want to be a future or spot trader, if you don't know much about cryptocurrency and you want to know more about cryptocurrency, I will drop a link. It will be a Discord. I might create a Discord channel or a Telegram group chat, guys. If you are anywhere around the world and you speak English, guys, you speak English, and you want me to teach you how to trade, either be it sports or futures, I will drop the link, guys. I will drop the link, and I will drop my Twitter link, whereby you can message me on there. You can drop a DM for me telling me, okay, I saw your YouTube video and I like it, and I really want to learn how to trade. If you don't know much about the crypto space, if you don't know about NFT, DeFi, storage, metaverse, like right now, metaverse is really booming, guys. So yeah, we are moving towards that part, because there's a whole lot I need to cover on Bitcoin right now. There's a whole lot I got to cover. So without wasting much time, I would say let's move on to ETH, guys. Move on to ETH. Yeah, because I know that most of us are holders of ETH. So we're gonna go ETH Binance. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Sorry about that. So I always advise people that before they start trading, before they start analyzing their charts, they should first of all start from the monthly this thing. monthly candle. From the monthly candle, you will be able to see how the asset, that particular asset, or if you are trading stock or forex or whatever you are trading, I mostly advise my students to start with the monthly chart, guys, or yearly if possible. Like right now, as we all can see, we can see that if Ethereum on the monthly chart, it's actually retracing. It's not about Ethereum going down, it's actually retracing. We all should understand that the market goes sideways, guys. We all can't just expect the market to just go up, guys. The market is made up of millions, if possible billions of people deciding on trades, guys. So every minute, every second, every hour, every week, different millions and billions of people are putting in money and taking money out of the trade. So what we all should know that when the price is coming down, it is actually coming down because it's not because of anything is happening, anything bad is happening, because the people who bought probably at this price here, when the Ethereum was at 1,600 range, they are now selling off when it got to the 4,000 range, guys. 4,000 to 5K range, guys. So when you see it coming down, you should actually like be happy because you believe that this is an established asset, guys. This is an established coin. So when you see it coming down or it is retracing, you know that this is the right time for you to buy. As we all can see on the monthly chart, we all can see that it has actually been going up lately. It has been going up, and it actually indicated that it was actually going to come down. Based on this week right here, it was actually this long week here indicated that okay, that it's gonna get to this price range, and when it gets to this price range, it's gonna drop. You get this week here, this long week indicated that there's going to be a huge sell-off very soon because people who bought probably at this price range when Ethereum was around $500 worth of it, they were actually selling off when it got to 4,000 because it's a huge profit and people need to like withdraw that profit, guys. So on the monthly chart, we all can see that it is it's actually doing very fine. In as much as the market is bleeding right now, it is doing pretty well. It's doing pretty well. And if we can use this tool, this is called the Fibonacci. And if you don't know about this tool, it's fine. Um, if you should enroll yourself in the online course, you will get to know more about the Fibonacci. And using the Fibonacci, we all can see that it has this is actually the right time to buy it right now because it has tested the 61.8% retracement level, guys. This is actually the right time for each and every one of us to buy it, guys. Trust me, guys. Although this is not a financial advice, but I advise us all to go all in on it right now because it has tested the 61.8%, guys, on the monthly chart. This is why we all need to like before we start making our technical analysis, we all need to view the markets, have a look at the market from a wider range, guys. Wider range. So from the monthly, we all consider that it is actually doing well. It's only retracing. So don't just trade hourly. Maybe you are trading 4 hours or 15 minutes, and because of you are seeing a bullish heads and shoulder, and you are trying to long the market. Meanwhile, on the daily chart or on the monthly chart, the market is actually telling a different, giving a different indication of how the market is actually going or how that asset is actually going. Yeah. So we all need to start with the monthly chart, guys. The monthly chart will help you have a bigger or a well comprehensive understanding of that particular asset. Now we move to the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, we can see that it's making higher highs, guys. On the weekly chart, it's making higher highs. Let me it's making higher highs. We all can see it's making higher highs. We all can see is making higher highs. So there's nothing actually wrong with ETH. There's nothing actually wrong with ETH. It hasn't crossed the previous low. If it breaks below the previous low, then we can call that a reversal, guys. And when that is the reversal, then we can be worried about it because right now it is doing well based on my knowledge and analysis, guys. It is doing perfectly well, guys. Yeah, that's for it. Now let's go. Let me take you guys to BNB. Let's not waste much time. Let's not waste much time. Um, yeah, the Binance coin. The Binance coin. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Like I encourage us all to start with the monthly. Yeah, as we all can see, the Binance coin has also it has also been making higher highs as we all can see based on this trend line here, this bullish trend line. As we all can see, it's actually making higher highs. It has actually tested the trend line. It tested it. Let me, sorry about that. Let me take the Fibonacci to out of here. It has actually tested this trend line a whole lot of times. Like tested it here once, tested it here again, and it tested it here now, as we all can see. So this is actually also the right time for us to buy um the Binance coin, guys, the Binance coin or token. So as we all can see, guys, the market is actually doing perfectly well. The market is doing perfectly well. We all shouldn't panic. The only people that should be panicking are actually people who bought shit coins. It is the people who actually bought shitcoin that should be worried. I don't encourage my students to go into shitcoin. Even if you want to go into shitcoin, you shouldn't get married to the shitcoins. Just make your profit and get away, guys. Make your profits and get away. But if you feel you want to get married to your shitcoins, no problem, guys. It's your money, it's your life. You should do whatever you want to do with it. But if you know that you want to be into crypto for a very, very long time and you don't um, want to spread bad news about cryptocurrency, I advise each and every one of us to go into the established coins, guys, the already established coins with the OGs, guys. Yeah, that is all I have to say for one of few big dogs in the market. So yeah, guys. We all some people actually bought Dogecoin when Dogecoin was actually high. Um if you all can see on Twitter, Dogecoin has actually been trading. So many people don't know what to do. But based on my understanding on Dogecoin, we all can say that one of the influencers that have been influencing Dogecoin is Elon Musk. And we all know how Elon Musk actually loves memes, guys. We all know how Elon Musk actually loves memes. You and I both know that we all love memes too. We all enjoy memes. And it seems like Elon Musk is gonna take um Dogecoin to a whole new level, guys. I believe that before the end of this year, Dogecoin is going to surpass $1, guys. Dogecoin is going to surpass $1 because funny enough, Elon Musk has plans for this Dogecoin. He actually made a tweet recently. If I should get the tweet, if I'm to actually edit this video, which I don't think I'm gonna edit this video, I would actually like show you guys the tweets about him talking about merchandise, Tesla, and Dogecoin, guys. That is to tell each and every one of us that Dogecoin is actually going to have a very splendid year this 2022, guys. Trust me, guys. So if you actually feel that like you want to hold this coin for probably whatsoever reason you feel like holding the coin, I would advise us to actually like hold it. I'll be holding some of these coins because, and I'll also be holding Floki because Floki is also associated with Elon Musk, his dog. So whenever he tweets about his dog, is the Floki Inu coin actually like goes up, guys. So actually we most of us are in this market for profit, guys. So I wouldn't say that you shouldn't move into the shitcoin. You should also go into the shitcoin, but you should go into the shitcoin wisely, guys. Yeah, as we all can see, Dogecoin is actually in the accumulation zone based on the weekly chart. But if we can go to the daily chart, guys, we all can see that Dogecoin has actually like been making massive move, guys. It has been making great moves, guys. Um, it's based on the Fibonacci retracement. If we all can see, it has actually tested the 61.8, guys. As you all can see, it has actually tested it. It is right here, 61.8% retracement level, and I believe that this is actually the right time for Dogecoin to actually skyrocket, guys. We can see Dogecoin getting back to 25 cents, guys. That is my technical analysis. So I would love to make other analysis on Solana, on Polkadot, and the rest of it, and some other metaverse coin, but there isn't much time, guys. I will definitely I'll try as much as I could to upload more videos. Yeah, and yeah, and I'll be recommending some coins during this dip, as we are all on this dip. Based as well can see, I made the technical analysis on Bitcoin, telling us that this is actually the right time to buy, guys, because it has actually tested the resistance, sorry, the support zone on the trend line. So I can see, and it is accumulating now. So this is actually the right time for each and every one of us to actually accumulate. If you actually bought it when it was actually like coming down, maybe you bought it when it was at 55K, and now it's at 42, for is within the range of 42 to 40K. We all shouldn't panic, guys. Since Bitcoin is above 40K, we all shouldn't be panicking. We should not panic at all. We should all be panicking when it breaks below this trend line and it retests this trend line and it still decides to go down, guys. That is when we all should be panicking. But around that time, I will be coming to give you guys updates on what to do, guys. So yeah, I'll be recommending some coins for each and every one of us. Um, one of the coins that I'll be recommending for each and every one of us is the Bitcoin, guys. The Bitcoin. If you actually think that you can actually accumulate a whole lot of Bitcoin, I advise each and every one of us to accumulate Bitcoin, guys. And if you actually like hearing about Bitcoin, you don't know what people see in this Bitcoin. Um, I would introduce you guys to what is called white paper, guys. Before you hop into any asset, you all need to like get to the assets website, to the project's website. There is something called white paper, guys. White paper is like a sheet or a document or a PDF that consists of all the cons and pros of that project, guys. The cons and pros of the project, the weakness of the project, the everything about the project, guys. What the project can do, the limitations, the everything about the project, guys. So with the white paper of Bitcoin, you'll be able to understand Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin isn't just a coin that is trending that people just want to like put in a whole lot of money into it. Bitcoin, there is 21 million um, Bitcoin tokens all around the world. So it cannot go below that, it cannot go above that, guys. There is only 21 million worth of Bitcoin in circulation, guys. Bitcoin cannot go below that, it cannot go above that, guys. So if we all are actually like worried that okay, Bitcoin is no longer $500, Bitcoin is no longer $1,000, there's something I have to tell you guys. This is even if Bitcoin gets to $1 million for one Bitcoin, we all shouldn't actually be scared, guys, because if we all should look at it, the world is actually like getting digital, guys. Everything about the world is about tech. And if we all can see, there are over 7 billion people in the world, guys. 7 billion people, and there are 21 million total supply of maximum supply, guys, not just total supply, maximum supply of Bitcoin. What does that have to tell each and every one of us, guys? That is to tell us that very soon, guys, in the nearest future, each and every one in the world would want to own one Bitcoin, and for everyone in the world to want to own Bitcoin, that is not going to be possible for everyone to own one Bitcoin, guys. Because if 7 billion people would want to own a Bitcoin that is decentralized, guys, believe me, guys, that's not going to be that's not going to be possible at all. Because very soon a Satoshi is going to be worth $1,000, guys. Trust me, because by the time 7 billion people will want to own Bitcoin, guys, trust me, it's going to be massive. So if you are accumulating your Satoshis now, don't be scared that you don't own up to a Bitcoin. If you own 5,000 satoshis, no problem. Just keep on accumulating, guys. Keep on accumulating your sats, guys. Keep on accumulating your sats. And yeah, so yeah, Bitcoin is the first. Bitcoin is the first, and the second coin that I would actually be recommending for us is ETH, guys. The Ethereum. As people can see, it has been making massive gains. It has been making massive gains based on the especially from the NFT on the NFT sector. We all can see it making massive gains, guys. So as we all can see, this is just the beginning for it. This is just the beginning for it. The only problem that people are having with it is that the gas fee, guys, the gas fee. And since it is working on, since Ethereum is working on its gas fees, guys, which will make me recommend the third coin that you can accumulate during this dip, which is the Solana, guys. The Solana is able to, like, the NFT platform on the Solana is actually like free, guys. You can actually like upload your NFT projects there for free, guys. So that is one of the issue Ethereum is having. That's one of the issue Ethereum is having right now, guys, with their gas fee. So if you actually feel like this is actually the right time for you to accumulate your ETH, I advise each and every one of us to accumulate ETH and Solana, guys. A whole lot of ETH. And yeah, the fourth coin I'll be recommending for each and every one of us is Matic, guys. Polygon Matic, guys. Polygon Matic is a very wonderful coin, and based on my price prediction for Polygon Matic, I actually think that Polygon is going to exceed 8 to 15 USDT, $8 to $15 before the end of the year. Yeah, because Polygon Matic is bringing a whole lot on its ecosystem, guys. Polygon Matic. And yeah, guys, we all know about ENS, guys, the ENS token that's built on Ethereum blockchain. Guys, let us not sleep on ENS. ENS is a very huge token. I advise each and every one of us to go all in on it, guys. On ENS, sorry about that, guys. To go all in on ENS, let me show you guys the ENS token. We all made a whole lot of people made a whole lot of money from ENS from the airdrop. This is actually the right time to accumulate ENS. As we all can see, it got listed on Binance at $44, guys. At $44, and it went as high as 120 USDT, guys. $120, guys, for this coin to get listed. And it's not even up to 3 months it got listed, guys, that this coin was launched in the world, guys. And it got to $120. Right now, this token is in shambles, guys. Right now is at $23, guys. Right now is at $23. I advise each and every one of us to go all in on this token. Right now it is at minus, I think, probably minus 45%, of the price it got listed on Binance, guys. I advise each and every one of us to go all in on ENS. Even if it is one you can buy, I advise each and every one of us to just hold one and keep it and leave it there for long term, guys. Long term, ENS is really going to make massive gains for each and every one of us. On this system, on this ecosystem, or this crypto space, we all want the best for each and every one of us. There's no one wishing anyone bad luck on when it comes to cryptocurrency. Everyone wants to own a Lamborghini. Everyone wants to own a Lamborghini. So everyone wants to make it in the crypto space. Yeah, so the next coin which I will be recommending for each and every one of us that has been making massive gains, guys, during this dip is the FTM, guys, the Phantom, guys. Phantom is a DeFi coin, or a DeFi token. FTM, the Phantom token, guys, the DeFi token. This DeFi token, which is known as Phantom, is making a whole lot of massive gains, guys. A whole lot of massive gains. I also told you guys about Dogecoin. If you can accumulate a whole lot of Dogecoin, I advise each and every one of us to accumulate a whole lot of Dogecoin and Floki too, guys. A whole lot of Dogecoin and Floki. If you want to accumulate a Shiba Inu, no problem. Whatever shitcoin you want to accumulate, I feel this is actually the right time for you to accumulate it, but not right now. If you can make your technical analysis right, you will know the right time for you to go all in on this shit coins, guys. But I'm not advising anyone to go to put in all their life, all their sweat on shitcoin, guys. Shitcoin is, I don't even see shitcoin as 50-50. I see it as 90% of your money going and 10% of you making it in shitcoin, guys. Yeah, guys. Then which brings us to the metaverse, guys. The metaverse is the real deal. The reason why I'm here is actually to tell you guys about the metaverse, guys. And I can cut it and put half paper.
So you don't now. You don't dey pack everything together.
So, voila.